If this video helps you out, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take off the screws out the bottom. I'm just going to use a power drill because it's not going to hurt it taking the screws out with it. Alright, then you want to just pop this cover off, like so. You want to pull that straight out of there, pull this up at an angle, and then that side will pop out. Set that aside, take your belt, and kind of turn it like this, so you can fit it around the spindle. It may not be that easy at first, but maybe you can loop it like this. Alright, once you have got it on the motor, then you want to be careful about this part here. Take this side here and set it down in there. And then you have to watch it right here. This is made specially so it fits back down into the groove. But before you do that, hey, what you want to do is you want to take the belt, put it around. It's going to be a little bit hard to get back into place, so you really got to pull. Alright, making sure you keep this part, put that back down in there, and then this part over here, line this groove up. It's really not, it's easy, but it's not that easy. There you go. Make sure it's going to spin freely before you turn the vacuum on. I already burnt one belt up and made a video about it. How not to replace a belt on a vacuum. So anyway, you just want to pop the cover back on. The tool I'm using is one of these ratchet, hyper tough ratchet screwdrivers. All right, the moment of truth. Let's find out if it works. Seems to be working fine. Thanks for watching.